Hello and welcome to my channel, IKnowGadgets. Today, we have an exciting review of the Limitless backpack and carry line by Graphene X. If you're someone who values functionality and versatility in your gear, you're in for a treat. So let's dive right in. The Limitless backpack and carry line is the epitome of functional design. It offers extraordinary resilience, unmatched adaptability, and avant-garde aesthetics. Whether you're exploring the city or embarking on an adventurous journey, this gear is engineered to meet your every need. This backpack effortlessly accommodates large laptops, tripods, bicycle helmets, and even wine bottles in its thermo-insulated compartments. With hidden pockets, adjustable straps, and reflective accents, it's thoughtfully crafted for urban explorers and rugged adventurers alike. In conclusion, the Limitless backpack and carry line by Graphene X redefines the standard of functionality in backpacks. With its innovative design, top-notch materials, and versatile features, it's a must-have for anyone seeking a gear that adapts to their dynamic lifestyle. If you're interested in getting your hands on the Limitless backpack and exploring its endless possibilities, check out the link to purchase in the description below. Don't miss out on this ultimate functional gear.